Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, so you can join our tech family. If it is informative to you, please like our video, share it with your friends so they can get help with these video, and don't forget to press all notification bell icon so you get regular update and don't miss any single video.
Security appliances. Today there is no single security appliance or piece of technology that will solve all network security needs. Because there is a variety of security appliances and tools that need to be implemented, it is important that they all work together. Security appliances are most effective when they are part of a system. Security appliances can be standalone devices, like a router or firewall, a card that can be installed into a network device, or a module with its own processor and cached memory. Security appliances can also be software tools that are run on a network device. Security appliances fall into these general categories. Routers. Cisco Integrated Services Router, ISR, routers, shown in Figure 1, have many firewall capabilities besides just routing functions, including traffic filtering, the ability to run an intrusion prevention system, IPS, encryption, and VPN capabilities for secure encrypted tunneling. Firewalls. Cisco next-generation firewalls have all the capabilities of an ISR router, as well as advanced network management and analytics. Cisco Adaptive Security Appliance, ASA, with firewall capabilities are shown in Figure 2. IPS, Cisco next-generation IPS devices, shown in Figure 3, are dedicated to intrusion prevention. VPN, Cisco security appliances are equipped with a virtual private network, VPN, server and client technologies. It is designed for secure encrypted tunneling. Malware/antivirus, Cisco Advanced Malware Protection, AMP, comes in next-generation Cisco routers, firewalls, IPS devices, web and email security appliances, and can also be installed as software in host computers. Other security devices. This category includes web and email security appliances, decryption devices, client access control servers, and security management systems. Figure 1 displays images of Cisco Integrated Services Routers. Figure 2 shows images ASA with firewall capabilities. Figure 3 displays an image of an intrusion prevention system.
We hope you enjoyed the video and found value in the content. We value your feedback. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post them in the comments section or contact us directly by our social platforms. Thanks for watching.